ice that comes from the bottom of the glacier is super compressed and has that really cool blue color. The tide switches in about an hour and a half, and it's taken me 3 hours to get here, so I better get heading back. I know I'm hungry when I'm double fisting it. Oh, that kayaking wore me out. It was about 5 hours. Well, it's almost dinner time and I got some bread dough left over, so I think I'm gonna make a bushcraft bread oven. Got the oven stuffed full of wood, got the dough rising in the pot. Just stick it over here and let it rest. Aha! There we go. Oh, is there anything better than warm fresh bread? Yes! Warm fresh bread with honey butter. Oh. That was so good. Oh, the crust is so crispy on this thing. Oh, I'm getting so full.